good.
Come on. Alright, I'm gonna not mess up this time.
Well, I mean, if you have the same exact hand, then
This character.
do not screw it up.
I drew a wyvern.
Or now do I look good? My elbows. Like this.
Much better than all fucking
Hey!
guys.
No. Shut up, Zach.
They need
Huh?
hand grips? Like,
Zach! Zach! Missing it.
never mind. That's the same. That's
My deck
I thought it
draws
was
Future
English.
Fusion like turn one, like 98% of the time.
2 straight.
Yeah, it's at least 100.
It's at least 105.
Like, I don't think you know how to count.
Ew.
Come on, future charge, recharge. What are you doing?
Winning.
Basically.
By winning. Sending a light and dark.
I'm gonna deck
Moving
out.
darker. Yeah, you are.
For some reason, I don't think you're gonna run into that problem.
Go.
Uh-oh, you're back.
Go.
What a coward. He fucking hit it. He hit it. He's gonna hit the other one too. See?
Wait. That's what I was supposed to do.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you were supposed to do the first time.
This sucks.
He said this sucks. Summon
Some
tour
tour
guide.
guide.
Shut up.
You're such a dirty wench.
Really, like.
Tour guide, not Kevin.
Oh.
Kevin might be one too, but
I can't get anything sweet. I want to get this guy.
the only thing I don't have in there, well, I don't have an Atom and a Charger. That was too much money for the weekend. I was like, I'll just be a man. Balls to the wall.
Go.
The loop.
Is that good?
Yeah.
The loop is on fire.
I have no hand.
I lose.
Let that
Go.
motherfucker burn.
Um,
Zach, you're messed up.
go.
Another Ryko, baby.
Morphin turn.
Ryko. Going to Gotchi. He's in my extra deck.
Is it?
Just for this one situation.
Is he actually?
No. Would that be good? I'd be like, well, you're fired.
Good. Really?
No, I opened 2.
Go ahead.
I opened 1 and then topped another. Rather, but see here. Yeah.
All right. Ryko's getting in dirt.